the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are doing well. It's your girl TiaBellaBeauty, and SAVILAND was kind enough to send me over one of their new gel polish collection. It is 100% vegan and cruelty free, and it has all of their social media on the packaging. Packaging is actually really cute as well. This is going to be my first time trying out SAVILAND's gel polish. I have a lot of their poly gels, I have a lot of their acrylics, but I've never tried their gel polish, and I think gel polish is something they've recently started, maybe a few months ago. Anywho, here is all of the gorgeous colors, and these are glitter gel polishes, and they all are around 7 mil, and they have names on them as well, so I thought that's a nice touch. All right, so now let's go ahead and open up all of these gorgeous gel polishes, and then we're going to give them, and then I'm going to show you the swatches, because I did swatch these off camera because I was very impatient and I wanted to see how beautiful the colors were. And guys, these colors are absolutely stunning. They are beautiful when the sun hits them, and then also when you put on a flash at the nighttime, they just light up like a disco ball. All right. Anyway, I will quickly show you all of the beautiful colors and the swatches, and then we're going to get into our beautiful Pride Mani, our Pride nails that we're going to be doing today. So here is a final look of all of these beautiful colors. I absolutely love all of them. So we're gonna get started on to the nail designs. I've already applied my nails and filed and buffed them. These are my 3XL squares that I got from AliExpress. So now I'm just going in with a thin layer of base gel, and then I will cure this under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to focus on doing the nail design for my thumb first, and then all of the remaining fingers I will just go through relatively quickly. This is my favorite nude gel polish, and I'm going to be using this to create an ombre with the glitter gel polish from SAVILAND. So first I'm going to take this nude jelly gel polish. I'm going to apply it halfway to the nail, and then I'll take the SAVILAND gel polish and I will apply the other half of the nail with that glitter gel polish and just kind of create a soft ombre. Once I have both gel polishes onto the nail, I will cure it under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. So the first layer has been cured, but I'm going to go in with a second layer. So I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, applying the nude jelly gel polish first, then applying the reflective glitter gel polish to the other half of the nail, making sure that there is a nice ombre to the nail, and then curing it under my UV lamp. Now that the second layer has been cured, I'm going to go in with a velvet top coat or a matte top coat, whichever one that you have. And because I'm going to be doing some nail art onto this nail, that's why I'm applying the velvet matte top coat. And I'm going to put this on, but before I cure it, I want to add a few of these colorful neon butterflies. As this is my Pride nail art, I wanted to make sure that it was big, bold, bright, and colorful. So I'm just taking a few butterflies and I'm going to apply these to the wet matte top gel before I cure it. All right, now we're going to do some line work, and I'm going to take my white line art gel and I'm going to try to draw some flames on top of the butterflies. Now, I am going to be using some pigment powders, so that's why I'm using the white gel liner, because this is going to cure and then it's going to have a little tacky layer for me to apply the neon pigment powders to this design. Now, drawing on camera is a bit of a challenge. I've mentioned this before, but I'm trying to leave in as much as I can so that you know how I did it and how you can improve doing this as well.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me. You're 'cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. 'Cause honestly, let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me with the skate girl tonight.
Now, if you do end up making a mistake, you can take some isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe and just wipe off that wet white gel liner. And that's the beauty of using a matte top coat, is that you have a layer to protect your nail design if you make any mistakes, all right? Once it's dry, you just go back in and perfect your lines. Now that the finger has been cured under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going to take my pigment powders. I got these off of Amazon. You can probably find them on Amazon as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and scrub different colors of the rainbow onto the flames. And that's going to give me my Pride flames. Now that I've removed that excess powder by brushing it away, I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to rub away the pigment powder. This was kind of tricky because I was trying to figure out if I rub the whole thing or if I just rub around the perimeter. I ended up rubbing the whole thing as well, and I think I got a little bit carried away and rubbed away too much of the pigment powder. So I definitely need to figure out how to improve making sure that the pigment powder is pigmented, because it just looks kind of washed out now. But anyway, lesson learned. I'm now just going to go in with a dot of the reflective glitter gel polish from SAVILAND, and we're just going to make some 4-point stars. After I cure this under my UV lamp, I will go in with a layer of top coat over the entire nail and give it a final cure for 45 to 60 seconds. All right, so here is a final look at this nail. Not too bad. So now here is a glimpse of it with flash on in the night. How pretty is that? I'm going to move on to the other nails, and I'm going to apply base gel to all of the nails, and we're going to give them a cure under the UV lamp. And then we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go in with a layer, 2 layers of the brown jelly nude gel polish to half of the nail, and then the other half of the nail we're going to apply the glitter reflective gel polish from SAVILAND, and we're going to go in with 2 layers of this as well. For my index finger, my middle finger, and my pinky finger, I want to add in colors of the rainbow from these neon rhinestones that I got from Shein. So while the nail is wet with that top gel layer, I'm just going to go ahead and stick on a few of these rhinestones.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me. Yeah. 'Cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. 'Cause honestly, let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight.
All right, so I'm going to finish off these nails. I'm going to finish off applying the rhinestones to my pinky, and then my ring finger, I'm doing the exact same nail design that I did on my thumb on my ring finger, and I did that off camera because, like I said, the line work and everything takes a while to do. If you are interested in any of these products, please be sure to check my description box. I will have my discount codes linked down below. Thank you again to SAVILAND for sending these over. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial. Happy Pride to all of my lovely Pride family. I'll see you in the next one.